everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope this video finds you safe and well. So, Merry Christmas everyone. Sana na-upload ko na tong video na to before mag-Christmas. So, I received a PR package. I am sure that this is a PR, pero ayan, mabigat siya actually. Ayan, mag-unbox lang tayo ngayon. This is the earliest Christmas gift I got from Livestrong Marketing. So, super thankful ako sa kanila. Sila yung first company talaga na nag-trust sa akin kahit wala akong masyadong followers. So, super thankful ako. Ang pinakang first project ko sa kanila is coffee daw. Sorry, it's 1 o'clock na kaya super haggard na ako. Anyway, nagulat ako nung may nag-text kay mama na may package from them. Kaya, ayan. Ilang days ito actually dito nandyan lang siya. Pero, gustong-gusto ko na siya i-open. Pero super busy ako lately. Ang dami kong hinahabol na deadline sa school, sa postings. So, ayan. Buksan na natin. Super excited ako. Hindi lang halata sa Facebook. Ayan. Pambukas ko scalpel. Oh my gosh, dalawang box. Ano kaya ito? Oh my gosh. Hindi box. Dahil pala sa Christmas card tayo open no? Pero ayoko na din ako magpaghintay ng Christmas kaya open ko na ito. This is my first gift. Don't worry guys. I disinfected, of course, my favorite disinfectant from Microgen, the B125. I will link it down below. And oh my gosh. Super sweet nila. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is the first box. And then, meron pang pangalawa. Gusto ko umiyak. Ito yung pangalawa. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much po. Anong gusto mong i-open natin? Ito muna. Ito. Ang bigat. Ang bigat nila parehas. Okay. Charot, ang haggard ko. Anyway, open natin tong walang... Ay, sige, yung... Ano kaya? Open natin. Since letter A for Erica. A, B, C, D, E. This one first. Okay. So, kayo muna ang tumingin. Oh my gosh! Ang dami! Oh my goodness! Hindi ko alam kung anong una kong hahawakan. Oh my gosh. Look, oh my gosh, matutuwa dito sila mama. Meron from Hair Fix. Sana napanood niyo yung video namin ni Alisa. Pinulayan ko siya ng hair. And ginamit namin is, of course, ito. And then peel off mask from Megan Beauty. Hair velcro pads. And then BB cream. Yeah, foundation from Catedral. Alam niyo guys, favorite ko yung BB cream nila, yung color blue. Nasa tube, nasa taas eh. Oh, and then may blush. Ayan. No strips from Megan. Oil blotting paper, one of my fave. Ang gamit ko is yung charcoal by Pretty Secret din. And then may lip tint. Oh my gosh, our fave. And then may foundation ulit. May niacinamide body lotion from Cathy Doll. I haven't tried this one pa. And then a lot of mask from Pretty Secret. And then foot mask from Megan. Ang na-try ko pa lang dito is itong charcoal. And then another hair treatment from Hair Fix. Velvet cream from Pretty Secret and sulfur soap or face and body from Dermade. Thank you so much. Gusto kong I can't express myself. Ay, naku, thank you so much po. And then, ito, basahin natin. Basahin natin yung nandito sa box na isa. Okay, dear Erica, of course, wishing you a blessed Christmas and a healthy New Year. We appreciate your valued support all throughout the year. God bless and stay safe. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year from Lifestrong Marketing. Thank you so much po. Oh my gosh. Ito yung mga brands. Ito, ayan Hair Fix, Pretty Secret, Chummy Baby, Spa Garden, Body Expert, Dermaid. So, dito sa 6 na to, may collab na ako sa Hair Fix, sa Body Expert. And then, meron pa ko Megan, Cathedral, Vidamed or Vidamed, I don't know how to pronounce it. Lone Marks, Nutri Expert, and Radiancy. So, dito, ang nakakolab ko na dito sa anin is Megan, and then Cathedral, and Radiancy. And I hope napanood nyo na yung mga video reviews ko before from these brands. And then, tanda ko pa meron din akong collab sa Bonesy. Ayun, ako nakita niyo yun. So, let's open this. Kayo ulit ang tingin. Okay. This one is nice. I love this one. This is the Hair Fix Deep Repair Strengthening Treatment. Super nice ito sa hair. And then, ano ito? Hair Coloring Shampoo Black. Ay, papatry ko ito kay mama or kay nanay. Ayan. Helps cover gray roots while keeping hair's natural shine. So, super nice nito. Feeling ko super affordable lang din ito. Super affordable ng mga products nila. And then, wipes from Megan. Meron tayong Keratin Straight ulit. Leave-on Hairspray. Ay, ito. Oh my gosh. I hope napanood nyo rin yung review ko sa Body Expert products. Napakita ko to sa inyo. Super nice nito. And then, Chummy Baby Stackable Milk Powder Dispenser. Ibibigay ko to kay Tito, kay Tita, buntis sila. Ayan. Yung mga baby products ibibigay ko sa mga ibibigay ko for my future pamangkin. Pinsan pala. And then this Nutri Expert food supplement. Nice. Check out later. And then another product from Dermaid. Meron din tayong facial wash from Pretty Secret. And then ito pa, silicone toothbrush with handle. Super cute naman ito. Bigay ko to sa akin for my future pinsan. Yung baby kami parate. And then wax. Nice. Oh, may hard wax, may bead wax, may melting pan na, and then may wooden spatula. Super affordable nito, sure ako. So, ayan, that's it guys. Super dami. Oh my gosh, thank you so much po for sending this. Ay, hindi ko masabi, hindi ko ma-express na maayos ko. Hindi ko ma-express na maayos yung sarili ko. But, super thankful po ako sa binigay nyo. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. And guys, if interested kayo sa mga products, I will link all the items sa description box. Check them out. And then, ayan, that's it guys. I hope naka-upload na to before mag-Christmas. And then, ayan, stay safe everyone. That's it. Gusto ko lang talaga mag-video para dito. And thank you so much for supporting me guys. Thank you so much. Kasi if hindi dahil sa inyo, hindi ako mapapadalhan ng ganito. And thank you so much po ulit sa Lifestrong Marketing and sa mga brands na handle nila. Thank you so much po for the opportunity na binibigay niyo sa akin para makapag sa mga projects. Hindi ko alam sabihin ko. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much po. And then, yeah. I can't wait to try these out. Sobrang dami. Super excited akong gamitin. Yung ibang hindi ko pa natatry. Ayan, that's it guys. Matulog na tayo. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you on my next video. Stay safe and I hope everyone's okay sa inyong mga bahay. Alam kung may typhoon last time. I hope everyone's okay. So yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you on my next video.